please subscribe.
Yeah, son. I go wee when I have to do work. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. Here's a 30-year-old blower being reused. Changed the ignition coil on it and put a new carburetor. So running it looks good. I'm running about 3/4 instead of maxing it out. Like I said, it's 30 years old, so it's never been rebuilt as in pistons or rings and stuff. And I'm just trying to keep it in one piece for a while, so it doesn't grenade on me and then I have to rebuild the pistons and rings. At that point, I probably would just replace it. So if I can get a few years out of it, run it at 3/4 or so, I'll keep doing that. These are my neighbor's chickens, and they came over to my, they were in my driveway, and I had come home, and here they were. Looks like they're eating, scratching at the ground and stuff. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's funny. I have 3 cats, and yeah, none of the cats wanted any part of them, and which is fine. It's good, but it's just kind of strange that they they don't want to be bothered with the chickens, that's for sure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.